First Nations TV, your news first.
Carers in Australia provide in excess of 2 billion hours of unpaid care every year. In the Territory alone, 1 in every 3 people will be a carer at some time. Established in 1992, Carers NT continue to support the needs and improve the quality of life for the Territory's 30,000 family carers. Recently, Carers NT celebrated the opening of their Humpty Doo office, which will add to their current service of rural and remote areas in the Northern Territory.
We've been working with boards and traditional owners and locals about what the need is, and we're trying to accommodate to the best of our ability. We also have a mobile office that will go out to more rural areas and assist carers.
The opening of the Carers NT Humpty Doo office was an important opportunity to raise awareness for the organisation. Administrator of the Northern Territory, the Honourable Vicky O'Halloran AO, was on hand to officiate the opening and reaffirm the importance and diversity of carers.
Carers are all ages, as we know. Often when you're looking at what's happening at Carers NT, you're learning about carers who are 12 years of age. You know, they probably don't even realise they're caring. They get up, they care for family, they care for friends.
The new Carers NT Humpty Doo office significantly increases the support of carers in remote and rural Aboriginal communities.
It's very typical of carers to go out to community, and you can see behind me here this Winnebago that's been set up to take caring to the community.
First Nations TV, your news first.